Blessed love everyone. I know this is DJ from Team Blue Entertainment. And you know, once I see me in the settings, just so, you know, the over there, so, or I'm over there, so, or you know, say artist there or there, you know what I got. That was for the, yeah, go see. So, you know, say I'm an opinion time. So, I normally give my opinions. And if you're vexed, I hear a problem, isn't it? And I hear a problem with opinion about my glass on my ear also. So, now, it's a time for opinions. Again, my opinion. And this week, I am going to drop my opinion again. It mostly centered around my country. Yeah. So there's this big thing going around talking about crime and where crime are come from and the youths them and yes, we have a lot of misplaced youths or misplaced thoughts or angry people that has nowhere going and nowhere going fast. But what is the problem? Is it that um, the youths are just crazy people, or the youth them just love get up and just go murder people, or what is the problem? You understand me? So sometimes I hear some people talk, and I think the PM said something, and mm, not too much agree with it. Film opinion that you understand me. But if I sit every day and I listen to one thing, I can basically hear it. It makes sense sometimes, but that is not the root of the problem. Now, I can watch movies and I see a lot of violence in it. When I grew up in the actually, yeah, you used to watch all of them little karate movie there, ching chong chong chong, rah! You understand me? Yeah, man, all of them something that we used to watch. And as me don't watch them, you know, when we go do jump off a tree and them look something here. You understand me? I was doing them things there. I almost broke my neck, broke my hand, broke my foot. Mommy have to beat me and say, what you want to do? You understand me? Those are visual things, yeah? But I'm not hearing you complaining about visual things. Now, the artists them can detour and should detour for some of them graphic songs, but them a live and sing what them see every day. Most of them don't, them never both shot themselves. You understand me? And a lot of people now come out and say it. Most of them now both not shot themselves. You understand me? Now, my opinion is if you make a better society, yeah, meaning that if you start doing some of the things that people used to do before now, like community raise a child, yeah, that's one of the things, yeah, because a lot of them think they cut out. Yeah, people go to school and come out with 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 subject, yeah. When them leave school, them can't work anywhere. You understand me? Because maybe them not have the money to go to college, yeah, or them not have the money to do no further study. Now them have 13 subject, them go to a gas station. I think then maybe them say, oh, you overqualified, you go to a supermarket, then you too overqualified for that position, you can't pay you. What do you do? Yeah? You set a bomb, you go make a jerk pan, you start jerk some chicken. People, the officials come and say, yo, you can't do this. And maybe take away your jerk pan or whatever happened. And listen, maybe take away the jerk pan. Now, depends on where you are, yeah? Now, you set a bomb, call two foreign people and say, yo, boy, start something, you know, whatever the case. And them say, all right, them are going to help you. Them give you money, you go buy two bearings, a big two car, two wheel, you buy some boat, some nail, make up your thing, say, yo, you are going to transport something in the market and make a food. Now, you do that, them take away your cat and mash up your cat. You say, it's all right, cool. As a youth, seeing where you still do it, you understand me? You never give up. And you know there's something go. So, you say, it's all right. Me I go buy some fruits and some bag juice or some something or some slippers and some something and hustle it. And build up a little car, and build up a little stall, you understand me? To do my little thing. Then mash it up, see me. Now, at what point are you not forced? to go and do crime. You understand me? Do you know when you have a youth and you're youth hungry and you hear him cry and say, Daddy, me hungry, Mommy, me hungry. Yeah? Are you yourself hungry and say, oh, are you going to give up? Yeah? Are you going to roll over and die? No. Survival at any means. So now you being the leader of any position you're leading, you know, what do you do? Yeah? Wouldn't you think about your creating more opportunities for the youth himself for when them left school? Yeah? In each community. To say, all right, you go around and say, bam, communities come together, find something, help some people, help the youth them. If the youth them have something to do. And remember, I'm not saying that it's going to eliminate crime. Yeah? Because I am living in a society now where it's like you have more crime than Jamaica. But the people them where do crime, it's like when them do crime, they never offered it, they didn't had to do the crime. You see me? So you have less people really doing crime. You know? Because guess what? They're not going to do crime to feed them youth or stuff. So you have 1 or 2 more people or 100 more people not going to be forced to go into crime because they can provide for them youth. You understand me? So using that as an example, if youth can provide or can take care of themselves or can do certain things, I think my opinion is crime would be less. Yeah? And no one wants to do crime, in my opinion. No one wants to go see and rob. Might have maybe have a percentage, like a 1%. Them don't want to go nowhere, them just at them head, you know. But the majority of people, I think, are youths. No one to go take up a gun and go rob somebody and go thief and go kill nobody. You understand me? I don't think they want to do it. So how do you fix it? Blaming someone else? No, because you have to set like this, and every time we borrow money from other countries and we do all kind of stuff, what happen? We owe a lot. Then we sink our own self. Then we not grow. You understand me? My opinion. Now tell me what you think. Leave a comment down there, so subscribe. Check out my other playlist. I have a playlist with the Chill Spot where I have artist interviews each and every week. You can check it out. You can check out my refix playlist, or you can just come here, so why for that come here, so just forward over here, so yeah, and just check out my opinion. So my opinion was today: how do you really help your country and a whole instead of blaming? Yeah, look upon it. See you next time, same place. The gone. My opinion, I'm in a business where who don't want it. Love me.